Okay, I am here today to show you what's inside my backpack and how to clean out your backpack on the last day of school and all the good stuff of what to do with the randomness of all your binders. So, without further ado, I'll be right back. So I have to get something else. So yeah. Alright, so I'm back, and so first thing is I'm going to look through my backpack. So I know the majority of stuff has been through, because I'm in high school now. I just finished my freshman year, so yay! And so there's a lot of stuff that probably doesn't need to be in my backpack. Okay, I keep my raincoat or poncho in there. That's in the first pouch. That's good. I mean, what can possibly? Oh wait, I just opened the pouch. Okay. Then in this pouch I have lotion, and I put this in my thing like 2 days ago. Got lotion. Got a pen. See, this is why I can never find my pink pen for when I go to church. And I like to write notes because it's been in my backpack. Yay. So I got a pink pen. Got a pencil. And another pencil. Now let's keep count of how many pencils I have. So 3 pencils. Change. Anybody want a United States of America $quarter? Anybody want 25 cents? Okay. Then next thing I have are earrings. They've probably been in here since I don't know. Okay, I have a couple sets of earrings. They probably have been in here since forever. Okay. So yeah, that was like 4 sets of earrings. That was all that's in my bottom. That was in the bottom pouch. Now, in the first pouch up here, where I keep all my books, or supposedly, because we're gonna not make this 2-hour long video. We're gonna make this a short, quick, and possible video. Alright, so first thing I pull out is my planner that I'm gonna use next year, but it says "You got this" on the front. It used to have a unicorn, but that tore off. So yeah, we're gonna make good use of this next year, next school semester. I mean, not semester, year. So then I pull out is part of my locker, because I have like that locker that like comes apart. And then here's the other half of the locker. Whoa. Okay, so there's the other half of the locker. So yeah, I'll put that to the side. Probably keep that downstairs. And then here's just a black binder that I used for band. As you can see, it had all my music. It had all my music and folder sheets. But I won't be using this next year because I won't be doing band next year. So yeah, I'll probably put this to something else. And then here's my American Girl doll book that I needed for one of my classes. Well, not this American Girl doll, but like I needed a book for one of my classes. This is probably gonna go, I don't know where to put it right now. Alright, first binder of the day, English. Okay, as you can see, got my English binder. Then, I have a pen number 2. Pen number 3. Pencil number 4. Highlighter number 1. Pen number 4. Just kidding, that's not pencil, that's broken pencil. Alright, so I'm gonna start a trash pile. Okay. Highlighter number 2. And calculator case thing that I forgot to turn into my teacher, but it's okay. We're gonna live. Alright, now, let's come inside of my, I know that's just weird. If you come inside of my backpack, you can see, like, there's a hole. There's a hole inside my backpack. So, I'm gonna still use this backpack for all 4 use because I like the color. But, there's a hole inside my backpack that needs stitching. So, all I have to do is, I don't have to open the other pouch. All I have to do is just stick my hand in that hole and grab what I need. Okay, so this is all my math stuff: paper, loose paper, gum wrapper, pencils that I had to have for when I took my exams last Friday, and finished them up today. So yay for that. So pencils, not gonna count those. Said it was an 8-pack, so yeah, so 8. And the Sharpie, it goes along with pen or marker, I don't know. Anyway, and then highlighter number 3, pink. 4, pink. 5, orange. 6, orange. Color pencils. Alright, I have a special place for color pencils. So, yeah. And then I got trash. Alright, so, this is all in my backpack? No. This is turning out to be an 8-minute long video. Alright, here's gum, but I'm stashing that. More trash. Something from my shoe, so that's trash. Trash. Okay. Alright, so now I can officially wash out my backpack. Okay, done. Alright guys, and I'm back, and now we're going to the other part where it's very kind of, you get to hear the tea about all of my classes that I took this year, because there were some hard-hitting to the bone moments, and some moments where I thought that I was going to fail. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get to it. So first, binder, I put my binders in order of the class period. So for first period, I have biology, but it says science, but it has it's really biology. It's another form of science. So first thing, these binders don't last long, because I've used this binder last year for my last year science binder. So it used to have like a little pouch thing. It has that in the back too, but it does not have that in the front anymore because it had got ruined. So the first thing I pulled out was my exam study guide that I had to handwrite. Okay, that's the horrible part. I had to handwrite everything. every single study guide I get, I have to handwrite. Yeah. So, I basically have highlighters, colored pencils, highlighter, colored pencils, and pencils. But colored pencils, we never use them, so that was just a waste of my time. Alright, colored pencil. Oh, and then the library forgiveness ticket for like if you had a fine. I'm gonna probably need that one day. But I never really read. So I don't know. I'm gonna need that. Alright. So this is, and it also matches the binder. So yeah, gray and gray. Yeah, so that's that. And the next thing I pull out is a file folder thing, majiggy. I don't like the word. File folder pocket where I kept papers that I just maybe wanted to keep one day. I don't know. But yeah, this was papers that I did. I don't know. I don't remember doing half of this stuff. Let alone, I don't remember being tested on this stuff. So, yeah. And then we have paper. Alright, paper. This is good paper. Don't want to throw it away. So, keeping it. It's actually good paper. I don't know why I put the good paper in my least favorite subjects. I don't know. Alright, more trash. Little file things. And yeah, different colors. Colors. Fun colors. Might keep those. I just probably have to take off stickers because yeah. Okay. Alright, okay, so let me tell you all a story. Alright, it's a quick story. So my teacher, she gave us a biology tracking form, and based on the look of this, we only used this like 3 times out of the whole year. Okay, so my first test, my first test was easy. I made an 80. My second test, let's just say I tried my best. And my last test, I tried my best. But I'm done with this, so I'm gonna trash all these papers. Okay, that goes to show you how I feel about passing the 9th grade. Alright, so this binder is done. So yay! Alright, now on to my favorite subject. And well, not my favorite, but my okay subject and my favorite teacher that I love. And I wish I could have her for Algebra B, but I can't. So, in Algebra A, I had a lot of, I was in a small class, so it was okay, because I like being in small classes where I can, like, if I needed help, the teacher was able to help me. Yeah, so, oh, and then this is my calculator. Of course, I said earlier. Okay, so yeah, this is my graphing calculator. You should get you one, because you're going to need it. And it's worth the $90, almost $100. Alright, so pencils, again, skip a car, pencils again, paper, paper, erasers, pencil sharpener that I didn't use, and pencil. So yeah, I'll put my calculator in a drawer later. It sounds like a barking dog. I'm gonna do that. So yeah. Alright, so graph paper is very needed in math, depending on your teacher. Okay. Oh, why did I close it? Okay, so we have foldables. I think I can just take this off because it was just probably can't take that off now. Shoot. I like these purple colored things. Okay, so and if you didn't watch my last video from January about my disorder, you should probably go check that out before this comes out, because this video comes out, because you will learn a lot about me and just, yeah, be amazed, because yeah, so I like this color, even though it's okay. Let's see. Alright, so that completes my math binder. Alright, my English binder is pretty done because I cleaned that one out yesterday. So yeah. Alright, my last subject binder. And you're probably wondering, why do you only have four binders? Well, I only have 4 main classes. So that's probably why. Alright, let me tell you. History, you can form your own opinion, but history is like not my favorite subject. I mean, even though it's great to learn and blah, 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 it's just not my favorite subject at all. Pretty sure my teacher did not like me. And I'm pretty darn sure that he was just playing out. But it's okay. Well, he probably did like me. I don't know. I was probably his best student. Nice-wise. But, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, that was pretty easy cleaning out that binder because I didn't have that much stuff in there. So, yeah. Alright, so. Okay, so you're probably wondering, where did all your stuff go? Okay, so I moved it out of the way and I cleaned out all my binders. So, yeah. Now I can just talk to you guys about how my first year of high school went. And if you're going to high school as a freshman, then you can, what can you expect? So, things that you can expect are, there will be a lot of work, especially like if you're going to the school system. I'm in Crossville City Schools. So, there will be a lot of work depending on the teacher. And, it's a lot of fun, but if you do get behind, I suggest like having a friend that like can take you your stuff and whatever. But yeah, if you do get behind, it's okay. They give you within a week to do stuff, and so yeah, it is fine. Don't stress. Oh, and that's another thing, a big key. Don't stress about anything, because the first semester after exams, I was stressing so hard about my biology because I thought I was going to fail because the first year of any of my classes that I took when I took exams, it was just a hard year for me. So I kind of did not, like, you don't know what to expect, especially if you're a first year person. You don't know what to expect, and it's just very hard hitting, and you, like, it's like a lightning a lightning bulb kind of goes off in your head, and you're like, oh, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And also comment down below what you want me to do for my next video. And I'll be sure to do a lot of more videos now that I'm out of school finally. And yeah, see you guys next time.